Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Yeah, online purchases again. Yes. Big box to show you in a moment. I'm waiting on one for the template for doing wedding ring quote. But everything else I've ordered has come. Small rotary cutter, which will help me at times. Although I do my feathers freehand, I got this because the quilting ruler I use is not so clear and obvious where the lines are. I mean, it's difficult to see anyway. And this, let me turn the light on. As I say, the quilting rule I use has this, and the black will show it up very well. There's loads of little lines, and my brain gets confused which line I'm supposed to be on in that. So I wanted something better. And also, that thickness will do for a high shank or sit down long arm or a long arm. I don't need it on a low shank. And this template is the thickness for a low shank, but with it having those clear distinct lines for me, I can use that straight edge. Brilliant. And if I want a curved edge for me feathers or anything else, I've got that, and that's a low shank. So that's brilliant. This, I think, is by the same company. I'm not sure. No, it isn't. This is from Creative Quilting. Not Creative Breads, but Creative Quilting. But this is a set. Don't know if you can make it out. Of different size. No, you can't make it out. Different size holes. See my finger in it, and that's a big one. Get all my fingers in it. Different size holes, and they've got these jigsaw edges, so you can take them off without lifting your foot up. But, and as I said, the other is a template for cutting out for a wedding ring quilt. But this is sewing and embroidery machine. I've never even used an embroidery machine before. It's a Viscount silver with Wi-Fi capabilities, different designs, and that I'm going to have to sit down with Lurch, who is a computer genius, and do it all, so he can teach me how to do it. I have opened the box because I want to check that it was all right, and get it out and have a look at it. There is the machine itself. Oh, sorry about that. That's your foot pedal, and it pulls out, and it's got quite a long free arm. Yeah, about an inch longer than me Simplicity. But it's got a very tight pressure foot lifter, but everything in the box really is, apart from the power cable, is regarding the embroidery part. Now, I expected a really big, thick manual, and it's there, and it's not as thick as I thought, but there is a CD that has come with it that Lurch will go through. In the box itself, I think you're only supposed to get one of these as a free gift. Well, I got 2 bags of scissors, so I think I'll probably send one to a friend of mine who likes sewing as well. And another free gift with it is this pack. There's scissors in it, another seam ripper, little pink cushion, plastic needle, and different things. And as most new sewing machines, all your accessories are in here. I know what most of these feet do. In fact, I probably know what all of them do. But we'll see how it goes when I check it all out, because as yet I haven't plugged it in. You've got down here, the same as on my Simplicity, you've got these pull-out cards showing you your patterns. So they're handy, you don't have to go digging through your manual once you've got the hang of it. And this, I thought this dial here on top referred to the tension. It doesn't, it's the foot pressure, and you can adjust that up or down as needed. So I was looking thinking, where's the tension discs? But actually you set it through this display and these keys. So yes, it's got a thread cutter on it, needle up, needle down, speed slider, locking stitch mechanism, quite a few things as well that I've got, but this cutter is something that I have not got. I might not be putting out any videos over the next week because I want to alter my sewing room around. Not to make room for this, because obviously it can go where my Simplicity goes at the moment. It's to make it more user friendly, because there's places in it that I can't get at easily, especially with my knees being bad. So I want to alter it around, and I have done a couple of designs with what I've already got, that, you know, using the furniture I've already got and how it will be. So I'm going to be doing that. But just to show you that I have been up here this week doing different things. This material you saw in last week's episode when I did a fabric online purchase. I liked it and thought what I could make out of it, but as I said at the time, I'd only got 3 meters of it. So I looked through my stash and I've got some of this blue stretch velvet left, and I think they match up really well colour wise. And I've got about just over 1 metre of it, so I've added it to it. Now the ski pants are all in the tartan stretch, but you can see this has the blue velour at the front. The back of it has the blue velour at the bottom. As you can see, it's got the tartan back to it. I've also used a strip of the tartan stretch to bind the neck edge, and it's just, I've just simply turned under. It'll be a sleeveless because I've got the cardigan to go with it. Sorting from the back again, I've got the tartan stretch as the back, and one of the fronts. I've put the blue stretch on the other front, but I put a tartan pocket on it, and on the tartan side put a blue pocket on it. On the tartan side I put a blue sleeve, and on the blue side I put a tartan sleeve, and then I have tartan edge around the blue, and then I've swapped over to a blue edge around the tartan. Just over 3 metres of the tartan stretch, well, 3 metres of the tartan stretch and just over 1 metre of the blue stretch velvet. And this, as you know, I told you it was £6 the tartan. What was left of this blue, I know I got it at £2 a metre, so that's a total of £8 for the whole outfit. So thank you.